Hi everybody, so today we will see how to enter expression data in wild type condition from the article you want to enter data. So first you have to enter your login and password information to access to the curator website. And then you have to search for the article you begin to have enter data. So go to the search tool, article cards, and here you will put the name of the author, of the first authors here, or the PubMed ID. So here you go to search. You can delete, you can view, so you click on view and you access to the article card with the 3 genes you have already entered, and you want to enter experimental evidence for this gene. Here you have 0 results, which is normal because for this gene and for this PubMed ID you don't have any experiments yet. So you want to add one. So an experiment is defined by a biomaterial in wild type or mutant condition and a molecular or morphological phenotype analysis. So first we want to define the molecular analysis, so you select the method here. You can add an experiment description here. So I want to enter data from figure 1, and which is C-NOTO8 in situ hybridization for Ophiocyanea antestillalis wild type embryo at 112 cell stage. Okay, so then you can specify the PubMed ID here. So it's automatically enter, but if you want to add a new one, you can also remove. But if you want to add a new reference, this one should be already entered in the database. So you have to create another article card if it's not created before. And then you have to define the wild type biomaterial. So first you have to select the animal provider, select the species, and select the stage of the embryo you save. And you have access to a summary of what you already entered with the method, experiment description, species, developmental stage. And here you can add an expression, add a mutant biomaterial, so we will see later how. You can edit the experiment here if you want to change the method, the description. You can add also a new reference, the provider, the species. You can also change the developmental stage you saved. Okay, and you want to add an expression profile to your wild type biomaterial. So you click to add an expression. Here you have a button submit this expression profile for biocuration. So when you finish to enter this data, and if it's okay for you, you just have to click, and after the curator will check the data, and if it's okay, it will be the data will be online on the public website. So first you have to show the author. You have to select a probe for your expression data. So here you have the gene automatically entered, and you just have to click on list clone for gene. Okay, and here, for example, there is no clone link to this gene. if I put another gene, just to show you here, I have all the clone corresponding to this gene. So for the corresponding gene, there is a problem, maybe. So if there is something like this, I just choose gene information, select gene, and instead to have a clone, I have the gene. So after I had the picture, okay, picture, I could add a comment to the image. So here, for example, I add no expression at 112th stage. Okay. I could add more picture. I had the substrate here, and I had the expression data. So here you have the anatomical tree corresponding to the developmental stage, and for this data I have no expression, so put no expression and submit. And then I save my data. Okay, and here I have the summary of the expression pattern. So I have the curation status, not curated, the identifier, the author, notator, the probe, the picture, the annotation, the substrate. I can edit this entry. And here, for example, if it's okay, if the data it's okay, I want to submit to curation. So I click on the button and save it again, and this is submitted for biocuration. Okay. And I can go back to the article, and here my data appears. So it's okay, and I can go back again, and here if I click for the gene, I have also the data I have entered. Okay, as I found a problem with the clone, I will put as curation comments the problem I had, problem with clone for Sinoto 8, and because it doesn't appear and I know that the clone exists on the system, and okay, this was this clone. Contact the NEC team to explain the problem. I save the data, and here I can see that my comment appear. Okay. So I have shown you how to enter wild-type expression profile from the article card. You can continue to enter this data thanks to the link show enter experimental evidence. And we will see in the next video how to enter mutant biomaterial and corresponding expression profile. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.